Replacing an awning window operator is a simple process that most homeowners can do with the right tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and either a stiff putty knife or a pry bar. To begin, extend the operator as far as it will go. Carefully separate the sill cover from the window frame using a pry bar or stiff putty knife to expose the operator's mounting screws. Do not remove the screws just yet. Next, disconnect the operator from the sash by unlocking the clips located on the mounting arm. Now you can remove the screws holding the operator to the window frame. Keep them for use with the new hardware. To install the new operator, attach the mounting arm to the sash brackets and engage the clips to secure the arm in place. Fasten the operator to the frame and ensure the window closes properly. Gently tap the sill cover back into place. It's important to do so a little at a time to avoid damaging the trim. Note that some older style operators may have a different mounting position than your new one. Some trial and error may be necessary to determine the proper position of the new style. If you finish the installation and notice you have a gap between the sill cover and operator, you may need to cut a trim piece to fit into the slot. If you have any questions about this project or need help finding the right hardware, visit us at Swisco.com.